My country people, Messi Kenneth and Zubby Micheal kwa. Hey! See how they just the chop keys for inside this movie. How old is Messi Kenneth again? Cause me, man, I dey confused. If anybody know the real age of Messi Kenneth, bring them out. Cause all these paragraph for internet done too much. So Messi Kenneth posted that her movie, this new movie, now is out on YouTube. If you see comment section, my people, I just dey scroll. You know, save as an army boy girl where I be. I dey always dey chook my eyes for army boy where I go bring come headquarter. Now so I can't reach Messi Kenneth's page. My eyes see wetin I no suppose see. I say, if you see comment section, people come dey ask, say, how old is this girl again? Is this girl not this one? Is this girl not? See comment now. See comment. Some even the questions will be Michael, say why you forehand like this? See small pikin when you follow the art this kind movie. Say you no fit you. Somebody come write something where Messi Kenneth pin. Now I can't the reason say maybe this girl no be small pikin as una they think am. This girl now might be 20 something and you guys are there thinking she's a small girl. Cause for her to pin this thing, this particular comment now will get my attention. That means this girl no small. And I can't think I'm again. See this girl get parents so. And her daddy is a movie producer, if I'm not mistaken, or a director. So she knows the kind of role where benefit her daughter. If to say this girl now a small pikin, he for no they give am all these major roles, you understand? But the man don't talk, say my daughter is now a big girl, like he's of age. Do you understand? So you internet children, it is high time you guys think all this thing, Cause all these things don't they too much. This girl cannot post her things without you guys, age bracketing it. You'll be like, no be messy of yesterday. That you did not grow up, no mean say other people know they grew up. She's not a small girl. She's an adult. Take it or leave it. This girl no be small picking. You see the likes of Messi Kenneth, Angel Onigwe, Sharon Ifedi. These three people are not small picking. That you watch them when they were small and you are big, no mean say they are still small. We are in 2024. Hello. So make una grow up, make una stop today question this girl's age. She's of age, she's a big girl, she's an adult. So as an adult, she's allowed, she has the right to do whatever she chooses. So allow her to do whatever she chooses. Hello. My people, na the gist where I see be this. I say no, I need to bring it to the headquarters and I need to judge this matter. How old do you think Messi Kenneth is? Or do you think this particular movie is above her? Write your comment for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to follow this channel for more Benge news with the tutorial. But do you know see they do on for my page? No dumb moment at all. As an cook come inside the carry con give you. Still your one and only amiable head girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Richest TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. They give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah now. Bye.